How to make the twos not so terrible. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Daily Hurdles. Today, we're tackling a topic that many parents can relate to, the terrible twos. This phase of development, marked by newfound independence and strong emotions, can be both challenging and rewarding. In this video, we'll share valuable strategies to help you navigate the terrible twos with patience and understanding. Let's get over this hurdle. Part 1. Understanding the terrible twos. The terrible twos typically occur between the ages of 1.5 to 3 years as toddlers assert their independence and test boundaries. Your child may experience intense emotions, tantrums, and mood swings as they struggle to communicate their feelings. Remember that this phase is a sign that your child is discovering themselves and learning to explore their world. Part 2. Positive parenting techniques. Establish clear and consistent boundaries to help your child understand your expectations. Give your child choices whenever possible, allowing them to feel a sense of control within safe limits. For example, allow your child to choose their outfit for the day. This will start their day off on the right track. Use empathetic language to acknowledge your child's feelings, even if you can't always meet their demands. Part 3. Dealing with tantrums. Maintain your composure and speak in a calm and soothing tone during tantrums. Humor may be a helpful element to try. Create a safe space for your child to express their emotions while avoiding dangerous situations. Additionally, try to start keeping track of what triggers your child into a tantrum and avoid those situations in the future. Distract your child with a different activity or object to help redirect their focus. A timer may be used to help your child reset or limit the length of the tantrum. Part 4. Building a positive relationship. Try to strengthen your bond with your child during this challenging phase. If you have more than one child, set aside special one-on-one time for play and bonding to reinforce your connection. A simple lunch together or a trip to the park may be all it takes. Consistency is key. Be patient and apply your chosen strategies consistently. Say what you mean, and mean what you say. And there you have it. A guide to navigating the terrible twos, with patience and understanding. Remember, this phase is temporary and a normal part of your child's development. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daily Hurdles, for more parenting tips and advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to fostering a positive relationship with your little one through the ups and downs of the terrible twos.